Hi, my name is Leandrea Squires. I'm a nurse practitioner in the Department of Primary Care. I obtained both my bachelor's and master's of nursing at West Virginia University, and I am board certified as a family nurse practitioner. I was attracted to the field of medicine at a young age. My father is a physician, and having seen the care that he provides for his patients, both intentional and compassionate, seemed very rewarding to me. A quick health tip would be to ensure that you're eating nutritious foods on a daily basis. Avoid excess sweets and empty calories. In my free time, I enjoy spending time with my family and friends. I definitely enjoy travel, experiencing new cultures, and exploring. My approach to patient care is a very holistic perspective. I like to see the patient as a whole, not only physically, but mentally, emotionally, and spiritually.